Custom printed shoes are a premium product with a high perceived value. When shopping for custom shoes online, prices can start at £45 and go all the way through to £200. By adding shoe printing to your range, you could be opening up your business for real profit potential. Many of you will already be decorating for sports teams. Trainers are going to be a really great option because it's another great way of showing off the branding of the club. Everyone loves a custom shoe, and it's never been easier to decorate them. To get hold of blank wholesale shoes, it's never been easier either. I ordered these from the Roly Stamina range. I've got 3 different options which we can decorate here, and all of them you can do under a heat press. To set up your heat press machine for shoe printing, all you need to do is get a shoe platen. These are available with the Hotronics machines with a quick release interchangeable platen, and this is great for doing a pair at a time. Okay, first up, I'm going to be decorating this one. Some of you will call it a plimsoll, some of you will call it a sneaker, but it's a classic. It's really easy to decorate. Everyone's got a pair. Everyone knows how comfy these are, and you can put loads of branding on. So let's show you how it's done. So first step is just to loosen the trainer up a little bit, hook it around the shoe platen, and that way you've got a really nice flat surface, and you could decorate either side of the trainer when you're doing this. On this trainer, we're going to be using glitter HTV. It's a really good option for personalized products because it really stands out and makes your product pop. Next up, we're going to be decorating this performance shoe from Roly. It's another great option for sports team. Perhaps you want to give them something athletic to do training in, especially if it's an indoor sport. It's also a really good option if you're customizing for different companies where the people are spending a lot of time on their feet. A warehouse, it could be perhaps a care home or a retail environment still, because you want something a bit comfier, but you want it to look smart. So let's show you how to decorate these. So I've chosen to decorate these with Intra screen printed heat transfers. This type of product is going to look great with a one color print, but because it's a performance trainer, I also want to make sure I've got stretch in my design. So that's why I've gone for the Intra screen printed heat transfer, because it has stretch in it as standard. So this will be able to move and rebound with the trainer. And then now we have this high top. This is a really good option for customers that want something a bit more retail. So if your customer is already a brand and they want their own sneakers, the end wearer wants something a bit more fashion forward, this is another great option, and it's easy to decorate with every single heat transfer. So we're going to go premium on premium for this. We're going to go 3D silicone on these high tops because this is really going to stand out. It's going to have that tactile finish, and it's going to look really dimensional and really great. And again, easy to decorate. So there you have it. It's never been easier to decorate shoes. So no matter what your customer's sensibilities are, you can provide a product that matches their needs. All you need is the Hotronics shoe platen, which is available and in stock now, and is compatible with Hotronics heat presses.